Classy Mom, you guys. So as you can see, the title of this video is called the Chicken Sandwich Challenge. I'm not just going to be doing the challenge. It's going to be my whole family doing this challenge with me on today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing out 6 chicken sandwiches. We have KFC chicken sandwich, and we did decide to do original and spicy. We have Culver's chicken sandwich, Popeye's chicken sandwich, McDonald's, Wendy's, and then we have Burger King new chicken sandwich. And the thing that's going to make this challenge difficult is we're going to all be blindfolded, so we are not going to know what sandwich that we're going to be eating. So if you're ready to get started, let's get this one ready. So my daughter and I are going to be the first people to do the challenge, so we are going to be blindfolded. So I'm going to put on my blindfold and she's going to have on hers.
Alright guys, we're choosing our first sandwich here.
So
see what they do.
This one.
We got this, Disney. We got this.
So,
Alright, so we got the sandwich and they're going to try it out starting now. And once you've made a decision, you gotta.
This Wendy.
Okay, Destiny.
Justin, did you think this Wendy?
It's McDonald's.
No.
alright, is that your final? Is that your final?
Your final answer.
Final answers?
My
I've had this.
5, 4, 3,
Wendy.
2,
Alright, Wendy's and
1.
Wendy's and
McDonald's.
Wendy's and McDonald's.
Alright. And the correct answer was Culver's.
Oh.
No, yes.
I hope you knew it.
Oh, I knew I had this sandwich before.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this
Alright,
is
let's
tiny.
see which one.
I ain't gonna. This little bit of sandwich, you can't even taste nothing.
Oh, big shape now. What's the taste?
Chick-fil-A, baby.
We don't have
Okay.
Chick-fil-A. Yes, we don't.
We don't have Chick-fil-A?
No.
I don't know what's in here, but it's not so good. I'm gonna say McDonald's. Cause I can't taste it. It's just, the sandwich was so little. Like, who did you expect like I'm a kid?
Wait, what's the sandwich choices?
5, 4,
I ate
3,
that like that.
2,
Size.
1.
Is that your final guesses?
Yes.
It was
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
I knew it was, but that was nasty.
Yeah, I know. I don't like McDonald's either.
I don't know what this is.
Burger King?
I don't think
What are
it's
the
good.
options?
So we have McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, Culver's, KFC, and Popeye.
This not Burger King. I think this is.
KFC probably.
It's not KFC either. This is. That's a weird taste chicken. That may be
5,
Wendy's. I think
4,
it's Wendy's.
3,
What's
2,
your guess?
1.
Burger
Final
King and
answers.
Wendy's.
Wendy's.
Wendy's and
Burger King.
Burger King.
And it
That's
was
Burger King?
no, it was Wendy's.
It was Wendy's.
I knew it. Yes, I got 2.
So 2 for mom and
Yeah, you can eat.
Eat. Okay.
Popeyes.
KFC.
5,
KFC.
KFC?
3,
KFC.
2,
Yeah.
1.
is that your
KFC
final
is your final answer?
Alright, it
Alright,
was
that was
Popeyes.
KFC.
Yeah. We got
KFC.
that.
Yeah.
So with 3 out of 4 for her, and then 2 out of 4 for Destiny. Alright, y'all can eat.
We can eat now. Okay. I can't find.
Don't say your what the what you think the
The way they
sandwich
had these sandwiches.
is until we do the countdown.
Oh. sandwich with that?
I know.
Mmm.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is this?
Popeyes.
This Popeyes twisting these nasty? I guess I'd say Popeyes.
Alright, final
it
answer.
was
It was Popeyes.
Ugh, it was nasty this time.
This tastes nasty.
Ugh.
I feel like this is Burger King.
I think this
5,
is Burger King.
4, 3,
Burger King is
2,
nasty.
1.
Alright, that was Burger King.
Yeah!
Alright, so Mom.
Alright.
So, Classy Mom 5 out of 6, Destiny 4 out of 6.
Ooh, these sandwiches is filthy. This is the men's challenge, and this is the first sandwich that we are going to be giving them.
He's in the front.
So,
Give me a good side.
you guys ready? Go.
Oh, I know what this is by the feel of it. Yep. I know you.
Okay, I know this one. When should we say it?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Popeye shake spicy
I
chicken
think it's-
sandwich. I'll say Popeye spicy.
It's almost finished.
This is Popeyes. I know
Yeah, I'm gonna
Popeyes.
say Popeyes.
Okay, Claude.
It's Popeye's classic.
This is spicy.
Ding, 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 ding. It is Popeyes, you guys. Great.
Yes.
So this is the next one that they're going to be trying out. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Go.
Let me feel the texture. Oh, I know what you are. That's better than a piece on the
This one
end.
not that good.
5,
Wait,
4, 3, 2, 1.
This one is.
I'm gonna say Wendy's.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Wendy's.
Okay, Wendy's. I want to say Wendy's.
Nope.
Which one is this?
It's Wendy's.
Live all, boy.
The next one that they're going to be eating is this one right here. Okay, you guys ready? There you go.
Don't you give me really small pieces?
This one, right?
Okay.
Kind of filthy.
This gotta be Burger King.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Burger
I'm gonna
King.
say McDonald's. That's filthy.
Wait, Burger
That's
King.
dog food.
Okay, you
Wait,
said
wait.
Burger King, McDonald's. What you say, Trey?
That's dog
That
food.
tastes like Burger King.
I know
Just
dog food
nasty.
when I taste it.
McDonald's.
That's
Okay,
McDonald's.
the correct
Or maybe,
answer.
maybe.
Hold on.
No, don't switch your. No,
Don't
Okay,
switch.
Burger
Don't
King.
switch it
Okay,
up now.
the
Don't
right answer,
Burger
Burger King.
Oh.
So the next one that they're going to be trying is this one. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead on and try.
Okay, let's see. Hey, my bread fell off.
This KFC.
Hold up.
Oh, I
5, 4,
know. I got this.
3, 2, 1. Get
Popeyes.
KFC.
Popeyes spicy.
KFC.
What?
Okay.
Popeyes spicy.
This
What's your answer, Claude?
Popeyes spicy.
What's yours, Trey?
I'm from the boot.
KFC.
The correct answer, KFC.
We already had Popeyes.
We already ate Popeyes.
So the next sandwich that they're going to be trying out is this one. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Go.
Trey can see.
Go, you guys.
Y'all know Trey cheat.
Let's go.
Ooh, I got a big sandwich.
Because it's like they only got the one layer. You can see through
I
the.
swear to
Ooh,
God.
I know this one.
Come on, come on. What
And
is
it's one
it?
of my favorite. Culver's.
I taste that tomato on it.
You ready to see?
It's Culver's. I know my Culver's.
5, 4,
I taste
3,
that tomato on it.
It's Culver's.
2, 1. Claude, what you see?
I would say that is definitely a Covis burger.
Only because we said
chicken.
Dominique, what you say?
Got
Covis.
tomatoes on
What you say?
It's cold.
Okay, the correct answer is
Destiny, I swear to God.
Wendy.
My eyes are literally.
It was
Oh,
Wendy.
I can't see nothing.
This is Wendy.
Yes.
Just kidding, it's covered. So the last one is gonna be this one. But I want to say the person that's in the lead right now is Domo. He's right there in the middle. So far he's
You been
you won
spinning on my
5
ass.
right. Trey got 4 right. No, Trey got 5 right. And Claude only got 3 right.
Oh, they cheat.
Okay,
I
here
wanna
we
see it on
go.
tape.
Here we go. The last one. Ready, go.
No, I didn't know about those.
Yeah. It's McDonald's.
I don't even taste that.
I know that taste after.
I don't like that.
Okay,
the bomb.
so what's your answer?
McDonald's. Give me that point.
McDonald's it is. Okay.
That's the McDonald's bun.
They have this.
That's right. That's it.
Nope.
There you guys have it. This was our chicken sandwich challenge. We all know our chicken sandwich. I think the one who won was Dominique. Dominique, you beat every last one of us. But thank you guys for tuning in. We will see you guys in our next
I was
video.
saying
Bye.